as country Muslim. I know that the Islam that you have here is different kind of the Islam. There is Sunni, there is Shi'i, there is Baha'i, there is two different kind of Islam. What the best thing to see that all these religions, they live together. We don't feel that this one is Sunni, or this one is Shi'i, or this one Baha'i, or this one, no, or this one is Christian, or this one Jewish. All of them, I think, I believe that we don't talk about religion, and that's good. Because when we talk the religion, we have big problem. Why? Because me, I would like to do my prayer like that. We'd like that. Somebody will do the prayer just like that. No, you have to do that, I am right. You have to do that, I am right. So this problem, we don't have it here. And that's very good, very important. If we want this country to be up, the religion is not you do the prayer. Yes, to do the prayer, but the big religion good between you and God, that to be good with your friend, to be good with another person. Good, that means help him, be with him. That's much better work, much better than do with the prayer. No, do your good work, and that God will help you. And we don't have this difference between this one and this one I like in this country.